Hello students, in this video lecture I discuss about your ETC subjects syllabus. As you know that from 22 June Monday your video lecture sessions are start now. So here I discuss about your syllabus, that what is the content of your ETC subjects and what is the teaching scheme of this subject and what are the important topics that you have to prepare for your examination. In this video lecture, you can learn about your overall subjects information. So here is the name of your subject is effective technical communication and subject code is 313004, and here is the teaching scheme of your subject is that there are total 2 lectures and 2 practical for this subject, and 3 credit is given by GTU for this subject. So in this subject you will prepare about the theory and also the practical, but practical examination is conducted by our college, and in this practical examination you can give viva only. So here 70 marks examination is conducted by GTU and 30 marks is your progressional assessment, which is considered as your internal examination marks, means mid examination mark. So for mid examination you have to prepare 70 marks, and then after whichever mark you will get in your examination is converted into the 30, and then after it's considered as your internal marks. Then after for practical marks there are 30 marks for your viva examination, and 20 mark is considered as progressional assessment, which is internal mark. So for internal mark examination you will submit one assignment which given by me to you in the during this lecture session. So you will submit it, and after that you will get marks for from 20 marks from assignments only. And here is the 70 plus 30 plus 30 and 20 means 50 marks for your practical examination and 100 marks for your theory examination. So 70 marks examination is conducted by GTU and 30 is your internal marks, and here the 50 total marks for your practical examination which be conducted by in our college only. So total marks for this subject is 150 marks. From 150, 70 marks paper you have to clear in the GTU examination, and remaining 80 marks is given by us to you. So for this 80 marks you have to prepare very well. Here is the subject contain that total 6 units for this subject. So unit number 1 is the dynamics of communication. So here are the topics of these units are: first one, definition and process of communication; second one, kinesis; third one is proxemics; fourth topic is paralinguistic features; fifth topic is importance of interpersonal and intercultural communication in today's organization. Then after, your second unit is technical writing, which considering report writing, technical proposals, technical descriptions, business letters. For business letter, they are considering the sales, order, complaint, adjustment, inquiry, recommendation, appraisals, apology, acknowledgement, and cover letter. So in business letter you will prepare about this all topics for business letter. Then after agenda of meeting, then minutes of meeting and resume writing. So here are the topics of your unit number 2. Then after unit number 3 is the technical communication. Technical communication unit has considered the following topics are public speaking, group discussion and presentation strategies, interview skill and negotiation skill. Then critical and creative thinking in communication. Then after fourth unit is considering the following topics. The name of the fourth unit is ethics in engineering. The topics are scope of engineering ethics, then accepting and sharing responsibility, then responsible professions and ethical cooperations, and resolving ethical dilemmas in making the moral choice. Then etiquettes are telephone etiquettes, then foreign business trips and visits of foreign counterparts, etiquettes for the small talk. So here are the total 5 units. Then after your sixth and last topic is or unit is the self development and assessment. A self development and assessment unit is considering the following topics are change, grow, persist, prioritize, read, learn, listen, record. Then after remember, assess, think and communicate, relate, dreams. So here is total 6 units are considering for your overall ETC subject. Then after the following topics you can see that are the language laboratory activities. It's considering for your lab activities. For lab activities there are total 10 topics is given to you. First one is role play, second is letter writing, formal letter writing, third one is a group discussion, fourth one presentation, fifth one book review, then sixth one is mock interview, seventh one is report writing, eighth one is case study related to our unit number 4, 5 and 6. Then ninth topic is conducting meeting and minutes of meeting, and 10th last topic for your lab activity is practical assessment. So here is your total topics are considering for your syllabus for the lab activities. Then after here the reference books are given to you regarding this subject. So here is a total discussion regarding your ETC subject syllabus. If you have any query then ask me, or then you feel free to contact me. So it's all about your ETC subject syllabus discussion, and for internal mark you have to submit one assignment and give a viva examination and give the mid examination for your internal marks. So total 80 marks is given by me to you for your internal examination, and 70 marks examination is conducted by GTU for this subject. I hope that you will understand about this ETC subjects overall information. Then if you have any query, any doubt regarding any topic, then feel free to contact me. Thank you.